How to sign into Marks and Spencer employee portal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Marks and Spencer is a major British multinational retailer headquartered in London, England. It operates a chain of high street stores selling clothes, home products and food products. Marks and Spencer employs a diverse workforce across its various departments and location. Marks and Spencer values its employee and often provides various benefits, training programs, and career development opportunities. If you are the employee of Marks and Spencer and you want to log into your account, you want to launch your preferred browser on your computer or mobile device, then you want to enter the URL provided by Marks and Spencer's HR department or access it through the company's intranet if you are already connected to its internal network. Marks and Spencer does not publicly disclose its internal employee portal. Once you are on the sign-in page, you want to enter your username and password. Once you have entered these credentials, you want to click on the sign in option. If your login information is correct, you should be granted access to the Marks and Spencer employee portal. Here you can access various resources such as company news, HR information, benefits, and more. If you face any difficulty during the login process or need further assistance, you can contact the Marks and Spencer IT support or your employer's HR department for help. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.